River F-Smart long-range detecting underground water, artesian wells, and underground springs with its all-new design and the first of its kind worldwide. After the impressive and great success achieved by GER Detect in cooperation with UIG detectors in the River F device, which has proven great success over the past 5 years, the device has been completely developed into River F Smart with the addition of more systems and properties with new professional technologies in detecting water sites and sources and their depths with high accuracy and ease. We provide you with a detailed explanation of River F Smart installation and functioning. It integrates 3 different research systems: freshwater searching system, salty water searching system, identifying depth and analysis results system. River F Smart multi-properties to detect underground water, artesian wells, and water springs. A super speed in detecting water sources and determining their locations accurately. Determine the depth of water in meters and centimeters accurately and easily. Determine the continent in which you are performing the search. A touchscreen contains many features: an electronic thermometer, a digital clock, mute and activate the device sound. First, open the device bag. A plastic anti-shock case to carry and protect the device. 2-year warranty card. The main unit of the device. The device handle. The device charger. Car charger. Super antenna. 3 antennas. First, install the handle of the device. Then install the super antenna. The technical specifications of the super antenna. The fastest and easiest system for detecting groundwater, artesian wells, and water springs. This antenna works by a spiral system that specializes in covering large distances of research. This giant antenna consists of a transmitter and a receiver that work according to the principle of ground induction and signal analysis process. When the device works, the transmitter sends a signal to the receiver, and the antenna generates an eddy current signal. This leads to the generation of helical waves and their amplification by more than 1,000 times to help the device receive the signal and reach the coverage of large areas within a few seconds. Install the small antennas. Install the signal recipient antenna. After completing the installation of all parts, the device is ready for use. As the company is keen to ensure that you apply the rules for using its products accurately and to obtain the best results, its team carried out field work accompanied by a detailed explanation of how to search for water and accurately determine its depth by testing the device in this area. As a user, you must take off all belongings that affect the functioning of the device. For example, watch, mobile phone, wallet, ring, belt. You must avoid all possible residential places holding energy sources, telephone networks, electronic devices, or people carrying metals or mobile phones. Turn on the device by pressing the on-off button for 2 seconds. After turning on the device, the following data will appear on the main screen. Battery level indicator, clock, temperature, activate and mute button. In addition to the following icons: settings icon. It contains the working languages of the device, which are German, English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic. Device settings icon, through which you can set sound level, lighting level, time setting, Device information. Location icon to choose the continent you want to search within. This unique feature was added due to the different frequencies of groundwater and underground artesian wells from one continent to another. Search options. Choose the type of water to search for: underground, freshwater, or salt water. After choosing the type of water, the device will return to the search screen. Determine the front range of the device. When determining the front range, the device will return to the search screen automatically. 3. Determine the type of soil. It is possible to choose the type of soil in the search area: clay, mineral, natural, mixed, sandy, rocky, to obtain more accurate results. Also, the device will return to the search screen after choosing the type of soil. Search icon. When clicking on the search icon, the device starts the search directly depending on the settings that were previously set and saved by the user, which are target type, front range, soil type, continent. Example: if the front range of the target to be searched for is expected to be within an area of 500 square meters, it is sufficient to specify the front range within 500 meters. But if the front range of the target you want to search for is unknown, you can specify the front range up to 3,000 meters. Note: the explorer must stand facing from north to south, whereas the ion fields are radiations emanating from groundwater, artesian wells, and underground water springs. Their overlap and interaction with the soil, the nature of the formation of the earth, and its regularity with the magnetic lines north and south. There are various sources of calcium ions, such as non-silicate metals, silicate metals, fluorite, anhydrite, gypsum, dolomite, aragonite, and calcite, as well as the resultants of melting metals found in stones and decomposite in water, such as alpite, anarbit, pyroxene, and amphibole. Magnesium comes after calcium, which is the second most important of the positive main basic ions present in the groundwater. Note: the balance of the device must be maintained during the use and search by installing the blue dot in the middle of the circle icon until it turns white. The device will start sending and receiving signals that will guide you to the water location with a continuous beep. When receiving any signal, the device will turn towards the water location with the appearance of the water direction indicator on the screen, an acceleration of the sound, and the appearance of the depth icon. Note: do not click on the depth icon until after confirming the location of the water from the 4 sides. Confirm the water location from all 4 sides to ensure accurate access to the water location. Follow the signal, and when the device makes a U-turn, you will have passed the water. Then confirm the location of the water from the 4 sides, from south to north. From north to south. From west to east. And from east to west. When standing over the water side, the device will rotate directly over the side. After confirming the location of the water, press the depth icon, then move away from the water location at least 2 meters. Direct the device towards the water location while maintaining the balance of the device. Press the start button and wait until you hear a beep issued by the device. Then walk towards the location of the water until the device rotates backward, with the appearance of an icon indicating that the device rotates backwards. Turn in the opposite direction. Press the start button, wait until you hear a beep issued by the device, and the icon turns from rotating position to the forward position. Then walk until the device rotates backward. The device will analyze and show the final results automatically. The following results and statuses will appear on the device screen when confirming the presence of water. 1. Noise. It is the percentage of noise present in the search area, which results from the proximity of energy sources, telephone networks, metals, mobile phones, electronic devices. 2. Confirmation of the target. It is the percentage of confirmation of the presence of water in the search area. 3. Depth. It is the depth within which water is likely to exist. Example, the depth is between 100 meters to 133 meters. Noise, 5%. Target confirmation, 97%. The following icons will also appear on the results screen. Main menu. When you click on this icon, you can return to the main menu. Search. When you click on this icon, you can return to the search screen. Depth. If the depth does not appear in the final results, you can click on the icon to reselect the depth. Note, if the device is not used properly, or if there's a high noise level, in these cases, the device will not be able to confirm the target and determine the depth. The search depth of the River F Smart device reaches 500 meters in the ground and a forward range of 3,000 meters. The River F Smart has been developed to make it easier to operate in all kinds of terrain and the most difficult weather conditions. The River F Smart device has the ability to penetrate the layers of the Earth to great depths that are difficult for many devices to reach. The River F Smart device is one of the best German industries. It holds the European CE certificate according to international specifications, in addition to the International ISO 901 certificate according to international specifications and standards. The true voyage of discovery does not require going to new lands, but requires seeing with new eyes. We wish you good luck on your exploration trips.